Welcome friends, my YouTube channel. Daily current affair क्वेश्चंस आर कम इन दिस चैनल, तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लो और बेल आइकन को भी दबा लो ताकि आपको हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन टाइम पे मिलती रहे। तो आज टुडे करंट अफेयर देखेंगे आज के मई 30 के। और मैंने ना बैंक के क्वेश्चंस भी बना के रखे हैं इम्पोर्टेंट वाले, तो आप जाके अगर एग्ज़ाम दे रहे होंगे तो आप चेक कर लीजिएगा, प्लेलिस्ट में आ जाएगा। और डिफेंस के भी है साथ साथ। अगर आपको इसके आगे के पीछे है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट कर देना, मुझे बना दूंगा। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, चलो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। विच मिनिस्ट्री लॉन्च अ 6 month community based inclusive development program on rehabilitation of Divyangan? Option: Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Panchayat Raj, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Answer is D. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Its explanation: the Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment virtually launched a 6 month community based inclusive development program of rehabilitation of Divyangan. Question number 2. The Cabinet approves the opening of a new Consul General of India in which country? Option: Oman, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Maldives. Answer is D. Maldives. Its explanation: the Union Cabinet has approved the opening opening of a new Consulate General of India in Edu City, the Maldives in 2021। फ्रेंड्स, अगर मेरे लैंग्वेज समझ भी नहीं आ रही है, आपको अच्छे से क्लियर नहीं आ रही है, तो आप खुद से पढ़ लीजिएगा। और अगर आपको इसका मतलब कोई चाहिए तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो क्वेश्चंस के। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Which company launched SHE to promote entrepreneurship, education and well-being of women? Option: Wipro, Airtel, Reliance, Tata Communication. Answer is D. Tata Communication. Its explanation: Tata Communications has announced the launch of the School of Hope and Empowerment (SHE) at the 2021 UNESCO World Conference of Education for Sustainable Development. Question number 4. Who has won the French Moto Grand Prix 2021? Option: Jack Miller, Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen, Sebastian Vettel. Answer is A. Jack Miller. Its explanation: Ducate's Jack Miller has won the French Moto Grand Prix 2021. Question number 5. The International Financial Service Centers Authority has constituted an expert committee on investment funds. Who will head it? Option: Nilesh Shah, Pankaj Jain, Amit Mistry, Saurabh Kumar. Answer is A. Nilesh Shah. Its explanation: the IFSC has constituted an expert committee. The 12-member panel will be held by Kotak Mahindra Assist Management Company Managing Director Nilesh Shah. Question number 6. The government has increased the FDI limit of the insurance sector to how much percent? Option: 81%, 74%, 59%, 100%. Answer is B. 74%. Its explanation: the Finance Ministry formally notified the final rules for increasing the foreign direct investment limit in the insurance sector to 74% from the existing 49. Question number 7. The residents of which state union territory are opposing the draft prepared for the creation of LDA? Option: Delhi, Lakshadweep, Goa, Assam. Answer is B. Lakshadweep. Its explanation: the latest draft Lakshadweep Development Authority Regulation 2021 for the creation of a Lakshadweep Development Authority is widely resented by the people of Lakshadweep. Question number 8. Who has developed materials for smart window? Option: Dr. Debabrata Sikdar, Ashish Kumar Chaudhary, Prakash Badal. Answer is A and B. Dr. Devendra Sikdar, Ashish Kumar Chaudhary. Its explanation Devendra Sikdar along with Ashish Kumar Chaudhary from IIT Guwahati, Guwahati have designed a smart window material that can effectively control the amount of heat and light passing through it is response to an apply voltage. Question number 9. The LIC hiked its stake to 5.06% in which bank? Option कैनरा बैंक SBI. ये बैंक क्वेश्चन के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट है फ्रेंड्स, तो अगर एग्जाम दे रहे हो तो ये IMP करके रख लेना. कैनरा बैंक, SBI बैंक, यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, पंजाब नेशनल बैंक. आंसर इज सी, यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. इट्स एक्सप्लेनेशन द LIC हैज hiked its stake to 5.06% in state-run Union Bank of India, which with acquisition of nearly 2% additional stock in the bank. Question number 10. Which institution has backed the Social Media for Empowerment Award South Asia? Option IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, KITE, IIT Madras. Answer is C, KIT. Its explanation the Kerala Infrastructure and Technology for Education under the Department of General Education has won the Social Media for Empowerment Award South Asia Award. Question number 11. Which state has decided to implement Mukhyamantri COVID-19 अनुकंपा नियुक्त योजना? Option Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Answer is C, Madhya Pradesh. Its explanation the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has decided to implement Mukhyamantri COVID-19 अनुकंपा नियुक्ति योजना. Question number 12. Who chaired the opening session of the 33rd meeting of Health Minister of Commonwealth countries? Option Narendra Modi, Harshvardhan, Anurag Singh Thakur, Nitin Gadkari. Answer is B, Harshvardhan. Its explanation the Union Health Ministry Dr. Harshvardhan has chaired the opening session of the 33rd meeting of Health Ministries of Commonwealth countries through video conferencing. Question number 13. Who has launched BioHub for pathogen storage and analysis? Option Switzerland, WHO, World Bank, both A and B. Answer is D, both A and B, Switzerland and WHO, World Health Organization. The WHO and Switzerland has signed a MOU to launch the first WHO BioHub facility as part of the WHO BioHub system. Question number 14. Which has now become the first small finance bank to offer NRI customer segment the easy to of account opening online? Option fin, FinCare Small Finance Business, Ujjwan Small Finance Bank, Equitas Small Finance Bank, AU Small Finance Bank. Answer is C, Equitas Small Finance Bank. Its explanation the Equitas Small Finance Bank has now become the first small finance bank of offer its NRI customer segment the easy to ease of account opening online. Question number 15. Who has announced the autobiography such कौन तो सच कहूँ तो? ऑप्शन नीना गुप्ता, अनुराग ठाकुर, NS Tomar, Amit Shah. Answer is A, Nina Gupta. Its explanation Sach Kahu To is the autobiography of the Bollywood actress and television director Nina Gupta. Question number 16. Which ministry has launched a repository? It's fast revision friends, तो आप क्वेश्चन रिपीट पढ़ सकते हो. Which ministry has launched a repository portal and Ayush Sanjeevani app? Option Ayush Ministry, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Panchayat Raj. Answer is A, Ayush Ministry. Its explanation the Ministry of Ayush has launched the clinical repository portal and Ayush Sanjeevani mobile application. Question number 17. Mahindra Rural Housing Finance signed as agreement with which bank for cash management solution? Option Indian Post Payment Bank, Punjab National Bank, Paytm Payment Bank, Ujwan Small Finance Bank. Answer is A. Indian Post Payment Bank. Its explanation: the Mahindra Rural Housing Finance and Indian Post Payment Bank announced a strategic partnership for cash management solution. Question number 18. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights is providing telecounseling to children through which portal? Option: Samvidna, Soumya, Sambhavana, Sanmukh. Answer is A. Samvedna. Its explanation: with an objective of providing psychological first aid and emotional support to children affected during the pandemic, the NCPCR is providing telecounseling to children through Samvedna. Question number 19. How much amount has been released by the government to 8 northeastern states under Jal Jeevan Mission? Options: 1700 crore, 1605 crore, 1510 crore, 1650 crore. Its answer is B. 1605 crore. Its explanation: the Union government has released rupees 1605 crore to 8 northeastern states under Jal Jeevan Mission to provide tap water supply to rural homes in the current financial year. And the last question is: in whose name was the Mohali International Stadium renamed? Option: Amanpreet Kaur, Prakash Badal, Balbir Singh, Akash Dhillon. Answer is C. Balbir Singh. Its explanation: the Mohali International Hockey Stadium in Punjab has dedicated to legendary centre forward Balbir Singh Senior at formal ceremony on his first death anniversary. क्वेश्चन फिनिश. दिस इज़ अ फास्ट रिवीजन फ्रेंड्स. आप ऊपर से एक बार पढ़ लीजिएगा, आपको फिर से रिपीट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. इसमें एक्सप्लेनेशन के भी साथ दिए कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है तो आप पढ़ सकते हो. गुड बाय फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में.